How to use Instagram emoji slider. It's basically the same for the iPhone and Android user, except for one feature. So the first thing you have to do is go to your home page, then tap on your profile at the top left of your screen. Then you can choose any photo or videos you want to use the emoji slider with. And tap this sticker at the top of your screen. Then choose this emoji slider choice. If you did not find this choice, try to reinstall your Instagram application and update it to the newest version. And you can type your question here. And you can also choose the emoji you want to use by just sliding here. And for the iPhone user, you can tap this plus button and choose a bunch of another emojis. But unfortunately for the Android user, cannot find this plus button. Besides that, you can custom the color background for your emoji slider by click this color at the top of your screen. And after that, you can click done. And you can do a placement as you like. After that, you can just post your story. And there you go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.